Being able to quickly locate a contact or group of contacts is essential to managing your business. Top Producer provides several ways to locate your contact. The most prominent is the contact list that appears on the right of the dashboard and on many other screens. This is useful if you want to quickly locate one contact at a time and view their information or open their full contact record. The contacts are listed alphabetically by last name, and clicking one of the letters on the left shows only contacts that have this last name starting with that letter. The star icon shows a list to contact you've selected as your favorites. You can quickly search for the contact you were looking for using the search field at the top. By default, it will search by last name, but you can use the pull down to search by other common criteria. Just enter the search text include go when you've located a contact. Click the down arrow next to their name to see a summary of the most important contact information and the contact types assigned to the record. If the contact has any family or friends included in the record, clicking the family and friends icon will display their information too. If you'd like to open the full contact record to see all the details or making changes, click the view contact link. The next option for locating contacts is the contact summary. Hover over the Contacts menu and click Contact Summary. This provides a larger listed contacts and displays a summary of the information as part of the list. Once again, at the top, you can click a letter to see all the contacts with the last name starting with the letter, or you can just scroll through the list to locate contact. Clicking the blue star icon next to the contact will select them as a favorite. You can quickly display one of your favorite contacts by clicking the Start tab at the top. To open the full contact record, just click the contact name. On the right of each contacts are icons that let you quickly schedule an activity, send an email, or delete the contact. At the bottom of the list, there are additional options available that let you perform actions on one or more of the contacts. If you'd like to perform a detailed search of your contact database, based on the specific criteria, the search for contacts feature is the best choice. Hover your mouse over the contacts menu and click search for contacts. This opens the quick search form where you can enter multiple search criteria to find the contact you were looking for. This feature is useful when you want to generate a list of contacts that all have the same something in common. You can choose to search within all contacts or within referrals. The most common type is for contact type. Click the Select from List link and place a check next to each of the contact types that apply, then click Done. When you perform this search, it will return contacts that contain any of the selected contact types. You can refine your search by using the fields below. For instance, entering a city together with the contact types already selected will generate a list of contacts that belong to any of the contact types as long as they also have a property in this city. Clicking search will perform a search and generate the list. Most of the time, you'll be able to locate the necessary contacts using the quick search feature. However, if a more detailed search is necessary, or you need to perform a search for something that is not available on this page, click the Advanced Search tab. The advanced search feature allows you to build a custom combination of search criteria selected from the searchable fields in the top producer. Start by choosing the type of data you'd like to search by. In this case, we'll search within the contacts. This gives access to all searchable fields inside the contact record. For this example, we'll search by contact type. Searching for different information can produce different options for entering your criteria. In this case, we are presented with a selection box. Click the Select from Lists link, place a check next to each other contact types that you would like to search for, and click Done. The third pull-down menu determines how the search will use. The multiple contact type selections contain any of means that any contact has. Any of these contacts will be returned in the search results. Contain all of means that a contact must have all of these types to be included in the result types. There are other options for excluding contacts with these types of examples for exact matches. We'll select contain any of. If necessary, you can add other search criteria by clicking Add Condition. Then make your selections for the search criteria. In this example, we'll search for a phrase entered in the contact notes by selecting contact notes that contain all the phrase sent birthday card. Now, this entire search to generate a list of contacts that belongs to any one of these contact types, as long as they also have the phrase sent birthday card in their notes. On the left, if the and was changed to or, the result would instead contain any contacts that have any of these contact types along with any contacts that have this phrase in their notes, regardless of their contact types. You can continue adding search criteria using add condition until you've included everything you want to use for this search. When ready, click search to generate results. From the results list, you can open contact records or select multiple contacts and perform actions on them all at the same time.